What's going on, guys? This is my MMA chop, karate chop, MMA karate chop. It's something I learned off Hey Arnold. Hey Arnold, the cartoon. I remember watching that show. So let's do it, guys. All right. Just remember. It's if you could do this really fast, you'll be good. You just go like that. Spin around and do it again. But you gotta practice on it and do it fast. I'll do it again. If you can do that, all you have to do is practice on it, and you'll go faster and faster. The more you practice on it, you'll feel the effects of your practice not long after. Then just you'll be fast. You'll be faster and faster. That's my karate chop tutorial, MMA chop. How to practice it. See you guys next time.